Well, good evening, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another exciting video. And as many of you are aware, the Shiboshi NFT drop has been a major success, with all 10,000 Shiboshis already being purchased. I hope that you guys have liked and subscribed to this channel. And I hope that you guys are getting this information in a timely manner. Here's another video just to give you guys an understanding of how exciting this really is. I am inside of my OpenSea account, and you can see all of these Shiboshis, and I want you to take a look at the price value. Look at this. We've got one here. This is Shiboshi number 4. Somebody wants 10 Ethereum. Okay, I think that's what that says. It says 10 Ethereum. I'm going to click on this. Yeah, $37,000. Okay, now they didn't pay that for it. The most they probably paid might have been $1,500. They might have paid $500. They might have even paid $2,000, but they didn't pay no $37,000. Okay, and you know what? I don't know if they're going to get it. Look at this one. Here's one for $3,900. No, this is 3,999,000 Shiboshis. Here's another one. People are already selling their Shiboshis. Let's see what they want for this one. It's had 75 views. It says all-time average price 0.03. Let's take another look at another one. The ones that really look like Shiboshis. Here's another one. I think the ones that are actual Shiboshis. It's not these Shiboshi face. I don't think that's actually the real deal. But these right here that say Shiboshis number 4, Shiboshis number 8,558. That's the real deal, y'all. Y'all see how they have the number sign there. Here's one. Let's see what they want for that. Okay, this is Shiboshi number 6,667. They're asking for somebody to make an offer. It doesn't say that. This is the price was 0.7. I think this was 0.7 Ethereum. So that's almost 70% of $3,000. Was that? They paid something over $2,000 for this. Let's go and look at some more of them. Here's Shiboshi numbers. Oh my goodness, 666. Oh my goodness. Here's another one. Here they got it for sale for 1.25 Ethereum. That's over $3,000. Here's another one. Let's look at some more of them. Here's one for 5 Ethereum. Somebody wants 5 Ethereum for Shiboshi number 1, the dev Shiboshi. They want 5 Ethereum. Okay, you do the math. What's that? Like 5 times? That's almost 5 times $4,000. What's that? 20, a little bit less than 20, maybe $18,000, somewhere in there. Okay, so what turned out to be something that it seems like it's a small thing. It's not small at all. Okay, people want some hellified money for this, or should I say some hellified Ethereum for this, or SHIB for this, and they're not playing. This is not a joke. This is not a dry run. They made 10,000 of these things. These are real collector's items. People are serious about this. You're going to be able to use these things in the upcoming video game. So there are attributes associated with each one of these 10,000 different Shiboshis. And guess what? This is only the beginning. I think what we have here is, if you go back and look at CryptoKitties, here we go again. This is, you're looking at it again. You're looking at the future of gaming right in front of you. You get your characters through minting by buying them with crypto. The game comes out, and then you're able to trade your character via the blockchain. And it doesn't get any more exciting than this. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Congratulations to those people who were lucky enough to get themselves one of these. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.